Alright, so I've got the oscilloscope again, but now I've also got this Tektronix signal generator. So watch what happens when I do this. Look at that. We're getting a... Oh. Ah. Oh, I should have brought my tripod with me. We get a NTSC convergence signal. And if I just step through the patterns, what's interesting is, let me get to it. Here we go. You can actually see some semblance of the patterns that you would be seeing on actual television. So, yeah, you can see the bars there. So, yeah, I think after having done that testing for a bit the day before, I think that really just woke up this scope after a while. But it is most certainly working. Now let's see what happens if I move the probes over to the horizontal. Let's see what happens. Well, that is certainly interesting. I sneezed once and suddenly my nose is running like a faucet again. I'm getting like something, just barely. You can kind of see the brightness moving around. Alright, I still don't quite know how to use the horizontal stuff. So let's get back to this. Whoa, look at that. Yeah, so at this current sweep setting, you can really see the detail. Look at that. Let's shift it up a little bit. Yeah, and then that's just kind of coming across there. The DC and AC offset, well, or setting for the input doesn't really do all that much. And this is the bounce mode. So you can see it's just kind of bouncing that. So yeah, this most certainly works now. I was afraid that I might have to look into doing some repair on the tube level, like replacing tubes and stuff, but this seems to be working quite well at this point.